It's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: rear parking sensors, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory audio settings, external memory control, aluminum wheels, rear wheel drive, and V6 engine. Car and Driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. The Jeep life fits your life. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.